Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Confidence. Have you ever noticed that some people naturally earn respect wherever they go? It is not because they are richer, smarter, or luckier than everyone else. The real difference is their character. Success may attract attention, but character is what people remember for a lifetime. Today, I want to share 5 hours that can change the way you think and live. These are not rules for becoming perfect. They are habits for becoming stronger. If you truly understand these lessons, they will help you build confidence, wisdom, and a life people genuinely respect. So, let's begin with the first R. Lesson 1: Reflection. Before you change your life, you must first understand yourself. This is where real growth begins. Most people stay busy from morning until night. They work, scroll on their phones, finish responsibilities, and repeat the same routine every day. But being busy is not the same as making progress. Movement without direction can still take you to the wrong place. Imagine driving for hours without checking the map. You may travel a long distance, but you still might never reach your destination. Life works exactly the same way. Reflection helps you stop, look around, and ask whether your daily actions match your dreams. Many people ask, why is my life not changing? A better question is, what should I change about myself? That single question shifts your attention from excuses to improvement. And improvement is where confidence is born. Think about a student who wants to speak English fluently. He watches videos every day but never opens his mouth to practice. Months pass and nothing changes. One evening he honestly says, I've been learning, but I haven't been speaking. The next day he starts practicing for just 15 minutes. Small action begins creating big results. Reflection is not about blaming yourself. It is about understanding yourself with honesty. Another habit that steals happiness is constant comparison. We compare our beginning with someone else's success. Social media shows highlights, not real life. Never compare your everyday struggles with someone else's best moments. Instead, compare yourself with only one person, the person you were yesterday. If you are a little kinder today, that is progress. If you are a little more disciplined today, that is progress. Before sleeping every night, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What did I do well today? What mistake did I make today? And what will I do better tomorrow? These questions take only a few minutes, but they slowly transform the way you think and live. Reflection also teaches gratitude. When you notice what you already have, your heart becomes stronger than your worries. You may not have everything you want today, but you still have another chance to improve tomorrow. Always remember this. A better life begins with an honest look at yourself. Reflection is the first step toward becoming the person you truly want to be. Lesson 2: Restraint. The second R is restraint. Real strength is not shown by how loudly you speak. It is shown by how calmly you control yourself. Everyone feels anger, disappointment, and frustration. These emotions are normal, but your reaction is always a choice. Imagine someone insults you in front of other people. Your first instinct is to answer immediately. Your heart beats faster, and your emotions become louder than your thoughts. But one angry sentence can destroy years of trust. That is why wise people learn to pause. Sometimes 5 seconds of silence can save a lifetime of regret. Restraint does not mean hiding your feelings. It means expressing them without hurting yourself or others. You can disagree without becoming disrespectful. You can be firm without becoming rude. Think about a captain during a storm. If the captain panics, everyone else becomes afraid. But when the captain stays calm, people feel safe. Your family and friends experience your emotional strength in the same way. Another test of restraint is success. When life goes well, stay humble. You do not need to prove your value by talking about your achievements. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Jealousy is another emotion that needs control. Someone else may get the opportunity you wanted. Instead of asking, "Why not me?" ask yourself, "What can I learn from them?" Learning builds your future. Jealousy only steals your peace. Not every comment deserves a reply. Not every argument deserves your energy. Sometimes walking away is the strongest decision you can make. Peace is often more valuable than being right. Before speaking in anger, ask yourself one question. Will these words still matter tomorrow? If the answer is no, choose silence. If the answer is yes, speak with kindness. Always remember this. The person who controls emotions controls decisions. And the person who controls decisions creates a stronger life. Lesson 3: Reliability. The third R is reliability. One of the greatest compliments anyone can receive is this: "I can trust you." Trust is not built in one day. It is built through small actions repeated consistently. Anyone can make big promises, but dependable people are remembered because they keep them. If you say you'll arrive at 10 o'clock, try to be there. If you promise to finish your work, complete it with honesty. Your word should have value, because every promise you keep becomes a brick in the foundation of trust. Imagine two employees working in the same company. Both are talented, but their habits are completely different. The first employee is intelligent but often arrives late. He misses deadlines and always has an excuse ready. The second employee is not perfect, but she shows up on time, finishes her work, and accepts responsibility for mistakes. Who do you think earns more respect? Usually, it is the person people can depend on. Reliability is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. People feel safe around dependable individuals. They know their words and actions match. This lesson also applies to friendships. A real friend is not the one who appears only during celebrations. A real friend stays beside you during difficult days. Support during hard times creates the deepest relationships. Even small habits matter. Replying honestly, returning borrowed things, and respecting other people's time all build trust. Many people chase popularity, but reliability is much more valuable than popularity. Popularity can disappear overnight. Trust takes years to build and becomes priceless. Every single day, ask yourself one question. If someone depended on me today, would I disappoint them? Let your answer become your habit. And let your habit become your reputation. Always remember this. People may admire talent, but they rely on character. Become the person whose presence gives others confidence. Because being dependable is one of the strongest forms of success. Lesson 4: Renewal. The fourth R is renewal. Life keeps changing, and if you refuse to change with it, you can easily become stuck. Renewal means giving yourself permission to learn, improve, and become a better version of yourself. You do not have to remain the same person you were 5 years ago. Your mistakes can change you, your experiences can teach you, and your goals can become clearer. Think about a tree during different seasons. Some leaves fall, but new leaves eventually appear. Your life can work the same way. Sometimes you have to let go of old habits to make room for better ones. Maybe you spend too much time scrolling. Maybe you keep delaying important work. Maybe you are afraid to speak because you are scared of making mistakes. Whatever the habit is, you can replace it with something better. Start with one small change. Read a few pages every day. Learn one new word. Practice one useful skill. Spend less time complaining and more time learning. Small improvements may seem invisible at first, but they become powerful when repeated. Renewal also means learning from failure. A mistake does not have to become your identity. You can fail at something without becoming a failure. You can lose an opportunity without losing your future. Sometimes life forces you to begin again. Do not always see that as punishment. A new beginning can become the opportunity you needed. You may discover a stronger version of yourself because of it. Never be ashamed of being a beginner. Every expert once struggled with the basics. The important thing is to remain curious. Ask questions, learn from others, and keep improving. Every month ask yourself, what have I learned that I didn't know before? What habit has made me stronger? And what part of my life still needs improvement? Your answers will show you whether you are growing or simply repeating the same year. Because life becomes better when you become better. Always remember this. You are not trapped by your past. You can learn, change, restart, and grow. Renew yourself whenever life gives you a reason to become stronger. Lesson 5. Reward. The fifth R is reward. Everyone wants success, but not everyone is willing to be patient enough to earn it. We live in a world where people want quick results, instant recognition, and immediate success. But meaningful success usually takes time. The things that last are rarely built overnight. Think about a farmer planting a seed. He does not plant it today and expect a tree tomorrow. He waters it, protects it, and waits. For a long time, he may see very little happening above the ground, but underneath, the roots are growing. Your efforts can be like those roots. You may study every day and still feel like you are not improving. You may work hard on your career and wonder when people will finally notice. You may practice English every day and still make mistakes. That does not mean your effort is useless. Growth is often invisible before it becomes visible. Keep working even when the results are still small. A person who wants to become fit cannot exercise once and expect a completely different body the next morning. A person who wants financial stability cannot make one good decision and expect every problem to disappear. Real results come from repeated choices. One good day is helpful, but hundreds of good days can transform your life. This is why consistency is more powerful than temporary motivation. Motivation can make you start, but discipline helps you continue. There will be days when you do not feel like working. There will be days when nobody appreciates your effort. There will be moments when you wonder whether all your hard work is worth it. Those are the moments when consistency becomes more important than motivation. Do not measure your progress only by visible results. Look at the person you are becoming along the way. Maybe you are more disciplined than before. Maybe you are more confident than you were last year. Maybe you handle problems more calmly now. These are rewards too. And when success finally comes, remember where it started. It started with small decisions that nobody noticed. Do not become so focused on the reward that you forget the person you are becoming while earning it. Money, attention, and achievement are valuable, but character gives them meaning. Never sacrifice your honesty just to succeed faster. A result that costs you your self-respect is too expensive. Work hard, but work with purpose. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep moving forward. One day, you may look back and realize that the small actions you almost ignored became the foundation of your biggest achievements. That is the real reward. And now, remember all 5 hours. Reflection helps you understand yourself. Restraint helps you control your reactions. Reliability helps people trust you. Renewal helps you continue growing. And reward reminds you that consistent effort creates meaningful results. These 5 qualities can change the way you live, work, and build relationships. You do not need to become perfect. You only need to become a little better every day. So reflect before you repeat. Control yourself before you react. Become someone people can depend on. Keep learning when life changes. And keep working even when nobody is watching. Because one day, your results will show the world what your daily habits were building in silence. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If this lesson helped you, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear these words. And if you are learning English with us, Keep practicing every day. Hear it English with confidence. Remember that every new word, every sentence, and every conversation is another step toward becoming a more confident version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep becoming someone you are proud to be.